Nothing is possible when you put your trust in God. Nothing is impossible when you're trusting in His word. Hearken to the voice of God today. Is there anything too hard for me? Then you put your trust in God alone and rest upon His word. For everything, oh everything, yes everything is possible with God. Nothing is impossible when you put your trust in God. Nothing is impossible when you're trusting in His word. Hearken to the voice of God today. Is there anything too hard for me? Then you put your trust in God alone and rest upon His word. For everything, oh everything, yes everything is possible with God. Praise God.